Mastering is the final step in the audio production process that can help you enhance the overall sound of your mix and take it to a new level. Here are 5 tips to help you master your tracks more effectively. Consider your destination and appropriate loudness standards. You want to have an idea of where your song will end up before you master it, especially these days, as streaming services have embraced loudness normalization. This means that if you deliver a master at a higher level than a streaming service's target, the service will lower your song's level to match the rest of their tunes. Chances are, if you're mastering one tune for consumption, you're going to stream it. So use this to your advantage. Streaming services tend to operate between -12 and -16 LU, depending on the service, and this gives you more room to create a breathing, musical master. Secure genre-appropriate references. Locate tunes similar in tempo, genre, and arrangement. Try to obtain a lossless file if you can, such as WAV. Lower-res file types like AAC or MP3 will give you a picture of how a song should sound, but once you're getting granular, you'll notice the draining quality of lossy codecs, and the comparison will be harder to achieve as a result. Manage the stereo field. One very hard task of a mixing engineer is to prepare a room for the instruments. You can use stereo imaging tools like Melda Productions' M-Stereo Spread or Isotope's Ozone Imager to create space and separation between tracks in your mix. Use EQ. EQ can be used to shape the frequency response of each track in a mix. You can use EQ to cut out unwanted frequencies or boost certain frequencies to make each track sound better in the mix. Use compression. Compression can help control the dynamic range of each track in a mix. You can use compression to make quiet parts of a track louder and loud parts quieter, which can help create a more consistent and balanced mix. Mastering might have a reputation as something of a dark art, but with today's amazing plugin effects putting pro-quality mastering, EQ, dynamics and reverb processing in the hands of every computer-based producer, there's never been a better time to give it a go. Tickle that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense tips.